The Kyrgyz heart has a special love for the mountains. No matter where in the world we go, we quickly begin to miss life among our own mountains and feel the call to return. These mountains are our roots. This land is our peace. Josholu rural area lies at the foothills of the mountains, a place where people have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. Here, time flows slowly. Clean air, open pastures, mountains that speak through the wind. I am endlessly grateful to the Creator for granting us life in such a miraculous place. This beauty, this perfection, is something humanity could not build, even in 1,000,000 years. With infinite gratitude to the Almighty, I present this video to you. Josholu is not just a point on the map. It is a feeling.